Hey, it's Ryan with S&B. I've got our high flow panel filter and intake scoop kit here for the F-150 and certain expeditions. It's going to fit a few different years and engine types, so you can use our vehicle finder on the website for exact fitment. But included in the kit is going to be our panel filter. You can see the overall pleat height, which is what we call the depth of the filter, is a lot more with the S&B filter here. So that's going to allow some more airflow without sacrificing efficiency. So still north of 99% efficiency, going to protect your motor from dust. And then also included in this kit is the high flow scoop. So I've got two factory air boxes right here. This is the factory air intake scoop. So on the back side, you can see this large opening for the scoop here, yet they neck it down and have a circular intake scoop. So we're losing airflow there, causing some restriction. We basically carry that full opening size all the way through the whole scoop. So this is gonna let more air get into your factory air box, reduce restriction, so that way it helps the panel filter breathe better, and we don't have to, we can still have that great efficiency and have better flow.